Now, here's the next step, and it's important that you catch this whole thing. And if you get messed up, you can go back and read the directions or re-look at this video. It's not really that tricky. Okay, you got two parts of the grommet. Here you got the first part right here, and it's got a ridge on it. You see how you got the big end on there like that. Okay, like that. Okay, then you've got like the washer. Okay, and the washer thing has like a finished edge on it and an unfinished edge with a lip on there. Okay, so the idea is, now this hole, you're going to put the bottom part on there, but you're not going to try to push it up in the hole yet, because this hole is not big enough. Actually, you know what? It is big enough. Oh. It slipped right in there. Okay? And then this, with the finished edge up, is going to go over that like that. Then you remember we've got our little tool set here. Right here. This is like a backer piece, and it's got a little ridge on it right there. And then you've got this other piece here, and it's got this nodule on there, okay? So you're going to put this one with the ridge underneath there, and that's going to hold on there like that. Okay, then you're going to take this and put it right down through there like that.
Joe, I have a question.
Yeah.
With the washer, you can put it either side up or side down, or...
This washer?
Yeah.
No.
Could it go like that?
No, because this is not a finished edge on
see.
this. It's finished on this side. Okay. That goes like
it's a
that.
little better that way.
That goes down like that, and you can look on the back side here and make sure it kind of fits in there like that. Okay. It looks kind of tricky, but it's really not. And the key to this whole thing is you've got to be on a hard surface, kind of like concrete, and that's why I'm out here in the garage. Okay. Because then I'm just going to hit that with the hammer. Now I'm not going to do that just yet. Oh, very nice. You're going to hit this with the hammer. Okay? But I tried that on the first one, and what's going to happen is this raised edge is going to fold down, kind of smash the two together. But then you don't get a nice finished surface on the top. And that's what I want to do. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this whole banner upside down at this point, and I'm going to put it all back together, just like how we've got it there. And I'll show you that in a minute. Now I'm going to show you the very first grommet I've ever installed. And the funny thing is, it did not show this in the directions either. You pan it down a little bit tighter there. Now see, this is the surface here, and see there's a little ridge right there, and that's after I pounded that all down. And it'll still work. You can still put a flat washer on there and a screw and attach it to your stucco wall or a fence or whatever. But see, here's the back. Now see how nicely flush that is, and it's kind of indentated. I want that look.
Oh, hold on, Joe. I'm sorry.
Here, just, yeah, turn that up. I don't have to see it.
I can't find it.
Okay. User error here.
I see.
Okay. Here.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just look at that here real quick. Okay, see this lip here on this edge? I don't want it to look like that. I'd rather have it look nice and finished.
Nice.
You see how that looks? But I want that on the front side. So instead of this, do you see what I mean? Yeah. This side we're going to have on the back of all the other ones. So that's why I'm going to flip these banners over. So upside down at this point. And then I can set everything back together, and I know this finished side is going to then be on the front. Oh yeah. I just want to, I'm doing it in the garage too, because I want a nice, fairly clean surface. Okay, I don't want to mess up the banner at all or anything like that. I would never recommend doing this inside your house, thinking, oh, I have a hard surface. I got a wood floor, a hardwood floor, or a tile floor, or linoleum floor. We don't want you doing anything like that, because you could mar up your floor. Okay? That's why I'm doing it on concrete. Here we go. It's the moment of truth. I have everything upside down. Remember, we've got our grommet with the piece sticking up. I push that. Now, you can just push that right in there like that. So far, so good. We're going to take our washer, finished side facing up. It's got a little concave area in there. You flip it upside down, you can see definitely that this side is not the right side. Okay, so I'm going to put that like that. I've got my little tool here. The nodule piece and the bottom piece, this little flared edge. Okay, I'm going to put the flared edge on the back side there. And then I'm going to put this over the top. And if you want, you can put the front in first, then you can hold that in there like that. Okay, like that. Put it down there. Okay, now the moment of truth. We can't hold this with our hand. We're going to have to hit it with the hammer.
I did.
Okay, you want to make sure you don't hit this sideways. It could go flying or something like that. You want to make sure that everything's in place the way it's supposed to be, and it looks like it is. And you're probably going to have to hit it a couple times. Nice and firm. Okay, here we go.
Nice.
Okay, that looked good. Just going to tap it a few times. Now it feels like it's bottomed out. Now I'm going to twist that out of there, and sure enough, this is up over the edge here. And look at that, nice finished edge there.
Very nice.
That looks good. I'm pretty sure I got it all. You can kind of practice on one or two. Twist this, because it kind of fits in there tight. Look at that, that's on the finished front side of our banner now. Nicely installed grommet. Oh yeah. Ready for the next one? I'm not going to show you every single one of these, but I just want to let you see that again. Nice and easy. We've got the bottom piece in. I put that in. I'm going to put this nodule piece in there first. Then I can put this one with the little edge facing up. Put it together. Make sure it's on a nice flat surface there. And fire it.
Careful, Joe.
Here we go. Twist it, because see this side is in there kind of tight, so we're just going to have to kind of twist it a little bit. Hey, this one's not wanting to release. There. Okay. Nice finished front edge.
I love that.
Just like that.
That looks really good.
Okay. So next time when I tap this, I'm going to tap it a little bit, but I don't want to tap it too much. The more you tap it, this could get on there nice and tight and be harder to come off. But just kind of feel it and wedge it out and you'll get her. Okay, well I got one banner down, but I only had to put 4 grommets in there, mind you. But that's all I wanted. And it turned out really nice. It looks like the people who made the banner installed these grommets. And I don't know why they don't, but most banner companies apparently do not, or maybe they were going to charge more. And that's something, if they charge more and you're not sure how to install grommets, well guess what? Now you do.